Tresalto Auto Trim Removal Tools Set Non-Marring and No Scratch Auto Trim Kit for easy removal of car door panels, fasteners, molding, dashboards and wheel hubs, 5 PCS. Sleek and durable set. Our premium-grade auto trim removal tools fits in any crevices and works excellent in removing exterior and interior trim, molding, wheel hubs, door panels, fasteners, dashboards, and more without scratching or damaging your car. Universal Auto Trim Removal Tool. It includes 5 job-specific auto trim removal tools to make internal and external automotive removals easy. It is designed with care to be universally applicable to vehicles, boats, RVs and more, so you can make repairs and maintenance with ease while also protecting the aesthetic of your car with its sleek design. Unique ergonomic design. Made of sturdy and pliable nylon material with a unique ergonomic design that enables the tools to be easily handheld to effectively save effort and time while working on laborious repair or maintenance tasks. Easy and convenient. Perfect for professionals and beginners doing any car modifications. It's also compact in size, which makes it easy and convenient to carry or stash in your car so you can use it anytime, anywhere. 100% satisfaction guarantee. We are confident you'd love these tools as much as we do. Get yours now and perform repair or maintenance tasks like a pro.